today I guess we are chasing the hurricane. I'm going right here in Victorville, and that is how the storm's looking. It's so freaking bitch. Good morning, you guys. So today I guess we are chasing the hurricane because we're headed into Victorville, which is right outside of Los Angeles, and it looks on the hurricane radar, it looks like the hurricane's currently Category 1, and it's supposed to hit the same area that I'm going into, which obviously if it gets bad, we're gonna have to stop somewhere. But at the same time, this is just a drop and hook, so I might try and just go drop this trailer really fast and then get an empty and get out of there. It all depends on how long it takes me to get there. It is currently 6:26 in the morning over here. So I think that the storm's starting to hit like Southern California at 9 in the morning, and then I think it's set to hit where I'm going at like 6 p.m. it said. So we're gonna see what today brings. Hopefully nothing too crazy, because you guys know my last Cali trip didn't go so well, so hopefully we're able to enjoy it a little bit, and they're just kind of overdoing this storm, but we'll find out. I'm in Utah right now, Cedar City, Utah, or yeah, Cedar City. Should be in Nevada soon, and it's supposed to be hitting Las Vegas as well. I'm basically driving through everywhere that it's hitting, because I'm on 15 right now. And yeah, like I said, that we'll see. We will see. Okay, so we're currently in Las Vegas. This is what the storm is looking like. I don't know if you guys can see. So basically, I'm going right here in Victorville, and that is how the storm's looking. And it says Sunday at 2 p.m. It's currently 10:11 in the morning. You guys can't even see any of this that I'm talking about. It's currently 11 oh my gosh, I can't talk. 10 in the morning. I just got Diesel. I'm about to go walk him, and then we're gonna get on, deliver this load, go pick up another load, and hopefully we miss it, but I don't know. Check. I could finally wear my freaking sweatsuits and stuff because it's cold over here. It's like 60 degrees. And it's only been a week.
side and fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen you love, you got deep in me. Even though, girl, I know that I'ma fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Whose side and fell for me, baby. Whose side want you for me, baby. Whose side want you for me, baby. Whose side and fell so deep for you. Everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime. If you let me love you, love you, love you, love you for a long time, baby. If you let me touch and if you let me love you till the morning, if you let me love you, if you let me love you, we are standing for the day, baby. Come my way, baby. Top down on the highway, baby. And if you let me love you, shorty, she ain't even got a visa. Out of town.
Literally been in traffic for almost 4 hours, like just stopped. We're all finally about to get off of the highway right now and take back roads, and it's taking forever to get off because the back roads are all backed up too. Honestly, like, I don't know how bad this storm's really gonna get. I feel like it's more like drawn on because California's not made for all of this water. So really, I'm not really too worried. I think it's mostly just gonna be probably a little windy and flooded, which I don't know. I was supposed to get in and out, just drop my load and go, but now with this whole closing and stuff, the road closed because a telephone pole, I guess, caught fire and it fell over. And I'll put like the little thing right here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, I guess the pole like fell over. They shut the whole I-15 down. So we're all getting off onto, I think my route is taking me Route 66 or something like that, which it's all backed up. Like my whole map is just showing red. So I don't know how long it's going to take me to get to delivery, y'all, but it's starting to rain a little bit over here, and the storm is supposed to be hitting in like an hour. So, and my GPS is saying with all this traffic, it's taking me 2 hours to go 30 miles to delivery. So this probably wasn't the best idea to keep going over here and not just wait it out till tomorrow, but I just want to make delivery. And like I said, I feel like it's just going to be mostly flooding because California's not used to this. They've never had a hurricane, so I think it might just be, you know, hyped up, I'm hoping. But we're just gonna thug it out. It's too late now, so I'm just trying to get out of this traffic, y'all. We are literally completely stopped, so hopefully I'm able to get on this little route in the back way before it gets too bad. But I will see you guys when I get over there. My SD cards are literally all full right now, so I don't know how much more time I'm gonna have to vlog, but hopefully I get out of here soon, because like I said, we've literally been stopped for a while now. So I'll see you guys when I get to the delivery and let you know how it's going. see me, it's a mess, like always. So, doing landing gear, you guys, look, I literally had to do this in my pants and take my sneakers off and put Crocs on because, baby, that water over there, this is the empty that I'm taking out. And I already dropped my load. When I tell you, I parked that shit so crooked because I was not about to open up my door and get so much water in it. So, check the kingpin. Okay. Next. But yeah. And I parked it crooked. I'll show you guys. But that's like the worst parking I've literally ever done. Look at how I parked mine. Mine's is right there. It's, I mean, shit, it's still in the lines, but super bad parking. But you guys, I have 1 hour left on my 70. I'm gonna type in, I think I get 8 hours tonight at midnight. Yeah, I'm a fucking mess. I'm gonna type in, they already gave me another load, so I'm gonna type in that address and see where I can get to. It's picking up tomorrow, so I'm just gonna type it in now so that I can see what's close to there. And yeah, y'all, that is it for this one. Honestly, I would have beat the storm if I wouldn't have got stuck in traffic for freaking 4 hours, you guys. And I wish that my GoPro didn't, the SD card got full on it, but I was coming here on like some back road because they closed the highway. And when I tell y'all, everything was flooded. It was windy, like the roads were literally like all dirt covered because there was like, you know, I don't know, it's crazy. But let me hurry up and do this, and I think that that is going to be the end of this vlog, and we'll start a new one for this next load. And yeah, y'all, today's been crazy. I'm ready to park this bitch somewhere, so let me figure all this out. And thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I need to start saying that in the beginning of my videos. But all right, y'all,